Hey, sixth graders. Since I'm not here at school this morning, I wanted to go through, give you directions of what I want you to work on in class today. So please listen closely to the directions here in this video. And at any point, if you need to come back to it to watch it or to look at the doc that I have posted up here on my computer screen, feel free to come back and look at it. But it's pretty straightforward today. You guys are working on trying to finish that jigsaw activity. And then if there's some extra time after that, you have an ed puzzle on the states of matter that you can work on. So let's talk about the jigsaw, since that's going to be the majority of what you're working on today. So at the end of class yesterday, we were in groups and you guys came up with the great idea of having one doc for the entire group that you guys would type on at the same time all the information for your specific state of matter. So that's where we're going to start today. On the very back table where the textbooks are, you guys will have your sheets that you glued all your puzzle pieces on. So someone's going to need to go get those, and you'll have to go to your tables. And once you're there, you guys can take your Chromebooks, open up your Chromebooks, and you are filling out that states of matter doc that hopefully one person shared. If not, you can do that today. One person shares with the rest of your group. So you all have one doc together that you're all typing on together. In that doc, you're filling in your information. If there's anything you didn't get, like if you maybe don't have, the strength of attraction, for instance, just leave it blank for now. That's okay. When I come back next week, we'll go through and we'll make sure that everyone's chart is okay before we print it and put it in our binders as like our official notes for the unit. So that's the first thing, which is part 3, which is just going through and completing that states of matter doc. After that, your group is going to make your puzzle fancy. So on the back counter, I have construction paper, I have markers, I have colored pencils. I should put some glue back there. I didn't put glue yet. I'll put some glue back there. So there's glue for you. And you can glue your entire puzzle piece to the construction paper, give it a title, states of matter at the top or at the bottom, depending on how you glue it on there. Somewhere, put each group member's name on the front with the construction paper. Be creative with your names. Maybe if you have some artistic talent, that's where you can show it and the way you make your name and things. And then when you're all done, you can turn in your completed puzzle by just putting it on that back table, okay, where we got it from the beginning. So that's the majority of class today. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and you can work on an Ed Puzzle that is posted in Ed Puzzle. So if you just go to Ed Puzzle, you will find in Ed Puzzle the igneous rocks. The states of matter. We're not on rocks anymore. The states of matter Ed Puzzle. If you don't get to the states of matter Ed Puzzle, or if you get to it, you don't finish it, it is not homework. The only other reminder for you guys is that if you wanted to do test corrections, they are due Tuesday when we come back to school from the weekend, from the long weekend. They're due Tuesday by the end of the day. So if you need to come and get some help and advisory on Tuesday, you could do that. But Tuesday, end of the day, is when they're due. If you have them done today, please do not turn them into the substitute teacher. I just am worried that they're get lost in the shuffle. So if you have them done, just put them in your binder, your science binder. And then when I ask for rewrites on Tuesday in class, you can go get your science binder and turn them in, and you're perfectly fine. All right. I will be back in the afternoon for that student volleyball game, ready to play and hopefully beat the 7th graders. So I will see many of you later in the day. Good luck. Work on, stay on task to get your stuff done here today. Listen to the directions from the teacher. Ms. Perbola should be there to help too. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.